Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 7th of February 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. With which entity as Dukan partner to provide BNPL services to the merchant associated with it? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is SIM. So recently, the startup name Dukan has partnered with SIM. Dukan supports small and medium sized businesses to form online store and sell products in an online manner. So basically, the SIM is a Marquee buy now pay later platform. They have partnered to provide BNPL service to the merchant associated with Dukan. So Dukan supports small and medium sized businesses with a various services like logistic, build and operating system and many more. It has developed an application marketplace for further customization of online store. So it is best in class software will help to launch D2C brand and online platform. So basically this will offer various products to millions of the potential customer. Apart from that, with SIM partnership, there will be a financial control and support to the customer. They will offer budget-friendly way to exchange their shopping experience. Okay, so now question number 2. The Government of India plans to establish the National Land Monetization Corporation with the initial authorized share capital of. So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is rupees 5,000 crores. So, recently the Government of India will be setting up National Law Monetization Corporation. So basically, the National Law Monetization Corporation performs the monetization of the land and other non-core assets. Its initial authorized share capital will be rupees 5,000 crores and subscribed shares capital of rupees 150 crores. Also, until now, central public sector enterprises have referred nearly 34 acres of land and other non-core asset to the government for monetization. So basically, the National Law Monetization Corporation will be incorporated as 100% Government of India own entity. Okay. So now question number 3. Who was appointed chairman of the India's Insolvency Bankruptcy Board? So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Ravi Mittal. So, recently the former secretary, Department of Sports, Ravi Mittal has been appointed as a chairman of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India as per the notification issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. He is a 1986 batch IAS officer of Bihar. He will serve as the chairman of Insolvency Bankruptcy Board of India for a term of 5 years or till he attains 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Apart from that, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India is regulator of overseeing insolvency proceedings and entities like Insolvency Professional Agency, Insolvency Professional and Information Utilities India. Okay, so now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. So basically the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India headquarters situated in New Delhi. It is founded on year 2016 on the date of 1st of October. Okay. So now question number 4. Who was appointed as a Director General of the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology? The correct answer of this question is option B, that is Dr. Madan Mohan Tripathi. So recently, Dr. Madan Mohan Tripathi has joined as Director General of National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology. Before joining the National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology, Dr. Manmohan Tripathi was working as a professor at Delhi Technology University in New Delhi. In Delhi Technological University, he also worked as a director, internal quality assurance cell, and coordinator of intellectual property rights cell. Okay, do you remember the National Institute of Electronic and Information Technologies comes under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Okay, so now question number 5. Indira Gandhi Center for the Arts and National Culture Fund signed a memorandum of understanding for the development of Atmanirbhar Bharat Center for Design in L1 Barrack, Red Fort, Delhi with which bank? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is State Bank of India. So recently the MOU was signed among the State Bank of India, Indira Gandhi Center of Arts and the National Culture Fund. So in this MOU, the MOU was signed for the development of Atmanirbhar Bharat for design at L1 Barrack, Redford in Delhi. The project ABCD aims to promote and celebrate the product which have geographical indication sign. This will help to exchange and boost economic value addition to the geographical indication sign products. So basically the project is implemented by IGNCA through implemented by Indira Gandhi Center of Arts and through the National Culture Fund. So basically the SBI was the sponsor the project as a CSR model. So basically SBI will grant rupees 1000 crores for the implementation of this project. Okay, so now question number 6. Who has been appointed by the Indian government to fill the additional charge of Controller General of Accounts? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Sonali Singh. So, recently the government of India has appointed Sonali Singh to hold the additional charge of the Controller General of Accounts under the Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance with effect from 1st of February 2022. She has been appointed in the place of Deepak Das. So, Sonali Singh is a 1987 batch officer of Indian Civil Account Service. She is serving as an additional Controller General of Accounts since October 2019. Okay. So, now question number 7. The unemployment rate in India is January 22 fell sharply to dash percentage according to the data from the economic think tank, the Center for the Monitoring India Economy, also known as CMIE. So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 6.57 percentage. So, recently the unemployment rate in India in January 2022 fell sharply to 6.57 percentage according to the data from the economic think tank, the Center of Monitoring Indian Economy, also known as CMIE. This is the lowest rate witnessed since March 2021. So, in December 2021, the unemployment rate rose to fourth month high of 7.91 percentage as compared to 6.97 percentage in November. So, CMIE is a Mumbai-based independent non-government entity that serves both as an economic think tank as well as a business information company. Do remember, the state-wise lowest unemployment rate is Telangana, recorded the lowest unemployment rate in January at 0.7 percentage. This was followed by Gujarat at 1.2 percentage, then Meghalaya at 1.5 percentage, then Odisha at 1.8 percentage and Karnataka at 2.9 percentage. So, apart from that, the state-wise highest unemployment rate witnesses in Haryana, the highest unemployment rate of 23.4 percentage in January 2022. It was followed by Rajasthan by 18.9 percentage, then in Tripura 17.1 percentage, then Jammu and Kashmir by 15% and Delhi in by 14.1 percentage. Okay, so now question number 8. After 15 years, Tata Sky has dropped the Sky brand name and rebranded as what new name? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Tata Play. So, recently, the Tata Sky has dropped the Sky brand name after 15 years, renamed itself as a Tata Play. So, Tata Sky as a DTH company has joined hands with the Netflix to offer new OTT. So, the full form of OTT is over the top content centric channel pack, as well as the new name of the company will be visible to the viewers. The Tata Big Play Binge was host content from 13 leading OTT apps through a single user interfaces while offering the flexibility of a single subscription and payment. Through the new identity as a Tata Play, companies simply aim to signify their expanded range of product and services and their desire to be a further ready while making tomorrow better than today for homes and family. So basically the Tata Play was founded in year 2006. It is a joint venture between the Tata Sons holding 60% of shares and the Walt Disney Company holding 30% of share with Temasek Holding in Singapore by 10%. Okay, so now question number 9. In which city did IBM recently open a client innovation center? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Mysore. So recently, the IBM Corporation launched a client innovation center in Mysore with the support from the Karnataka Digital Economy Mission to attach company to set up operation in cities beyond Bangalore. This initiative aims at supporting the rapid high-tech driven economic growth in Tier 2 and Tier 3 region while providing comprehensive hybrid cloud and artificial intelligence technology consulting capacity. Okay, so now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. So IBM Corporation CEO is Arvind Krishnan. Its headquarters situated in New York in US, and it is founded in year 1911 on the date of 16th of June. Now question number 10. India signed an interim agreement to offer a commitment to work on the mega science project called SKAO. What does S signifies in SKAO? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is square. So recently India has signed an interim agreement to offer a commitment to work on the mega science project called Square Kilometer Array Observation, also known as SKAO. So basically the SKAO is the world's largest radio telescope. It will be established in South Africa and Australia. The tenure of agreement is 1 year. Apart from that, the agreement was signed by TIFR National Center for Radio Astrophysics, also known as NCRA, on the behalf of Department of Atomic Energy and Director General of SKA. However, India is yet to get approval from the central government to become a member country in the SKA's council. Do remember the headquarters of SKAO situated in United Kingdom. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.